Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss past tense. Past tense divided into four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. In those, first one is simple past tense. Now usages. Past tense refers to an action which was completed in the past. An action completed in the past without mentioning the time. But you know that, for example, Shivaji ruled well. It refers to history. Second one is, while we are using adverb of time, for example, I met him yesterday. Yesterday means adverb of time. This second point clearly mentioned by mentioning the adverb of time. Example 2, they came in 1990. This one refers to adverb of time. Not only this year, any year you may mention, any adverb of time also mentioned. These are the indications for simple past tense. Okay. Third one, a past habit. The old man carried an umbrella. That is a habit. Okay, he carried an umbrella regularly in the past. That refers to past action. Sometimes this refers to customs and traditions in the past. Okay, for example, Sindhu people worshipped many gods. In the past, that is habit or customs which related to past tense. Understand? Next one, it indicates for desire, using of I wish. For example, you wish, I wish, like that. I wish plus simple past tense. Example is, I wish I had a car. After I wish, we have to use simple past tense. I wish I had a car. This is verb form 2. Have or has V1, had V2. I had a car. That means I did have a car. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? Explanation. Present, I don't have a car. But I want it. This is the, for example, this is the explanation part. This will be given examination. Okay, we should use with I wish. This is the question in examination. This is the answer. Okay. Now repeat. An action completed which was in the past. Second, by mentioning the timing. Third one, it refers to past habits, customs and traditions. And using with the desire. Now we are going to learn another usage. Now fifth usage. What is that? Time phrase plus simple past tense. What is time phrase? We may say it's time, it's quiet time, it's about time, it is I time. Whenever you find these time phrases plus simple past tense means it's time plus simple past, it's quiet time plus simple past, it's about time plus simple past, it's I time plus simple past. Actually, what is the meaning of this structure? Time phrase plus simple past tense refers to an action which is late. For example, she wakes up at 6 a.m. regularly or daily. Now she has not woken up yet. That means time is late. Generally she wakes up 6 a.m. Today it may be 6:30 or 7 or 7:30. Then using the sentence with time phrases, it's time. Use a sentence with its time. Then answer is, it's time she woke up. Understand? It's time plus simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, listen again. time phrases plus simple past tense refers to a late action. Previously the action is going on continuously. Today it may be late. Then only we should use time phrases plus simple past tense. Understand? Now let us go to according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence, example for simple past tense. After that, clue words of simple past tense. Now first of all structure, one say that subject plus V2 plus object. For example, I gave a book. Verb form 2 is compulsory for the simple past tense. One say that according to assertive and interrogative sentence, some of the examples are given here. For example, I played affirmative sentence. I played subject plus V2 plus object. Here object is not given. I played, for example, cricket. Negative sentence. I did not play. I did not play refers to negative sentence. In the negative sentence, main verb should be V1 only. Subject plus did not plus V1. Don't write V2. Did refers to V2, so that main verb is compulsory V1 only. Understand? Remind that. Regarding interrogative sentence, did I play? When did I play? These two questions refers to interrogative sentence. Third one and fourth one. Fifth one, interrogative come negative. Did I not play? Did I not play? We may write as didn't I play? Didn't I play? Second one, when did I not play? When did I not play? We may write as when didn't I play? When didn't I play? So these are the examples according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay. Next, according to clue words. According to clue words, we have to discuss examples based on examination purpose. Okay. Now clue words. According to clue words, we have to do these blanks. These are the examination purpose based on simple past tense. In the simple past tense, what are the clue words? The clue words mainly adverb of time or idioms or phrases which related to past. Which related to past. For example, adverb of time. Yesterday, day before yesterday, last month, last week, last year, last day, like that. Or long ago, 2 years back, once upon a time, like that. Here in the past also refers to simple past tense. Okay. Once upon a time, long ago refers to idioms. Those refers to idioms and those refers to past actions. Okay. Remaining words are time related action. Time related, that means adverb of time. That means adverb of time. For example, in examination, I dash meet, I blank meet him last week or last month. Here last week is clue word. Based on clue word, we have to fill the answer. Okay, last week refers to simple past tense. So that subject plus V2 plus object. Meet second form is met. Second one, they dash come yesterday. They dash, they blank come yesterday. Filling the blanks with suitable verb. Here yesterday refers to adverb of time. Adverb of time which refers to past only. Which refers to past only. Here verb form 2. Come, came, come. Came is verb form 2. Answer is came. Subject plus V2. Last one. They dash get. They dash get. Or they blank get. The prize in 2000. Here in 2000 refers to past year. Not only year 2000 may take any year refers to past. The sentence belongs to simple past only. Okay. they subject, get second form got, the prize means object. Like that we have to prepare for examination purpose. Remind that simple past tense refers to an action which was completed in the past. Structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Clue words are here. Some of the examples are given according to assertive sentence, means affirmative sentence, negative, interrogative sentence also we discussed, and some of the more usages we learned just now. We have learned just now. Okay, these are very helpful to, I hope that. Thank you very much.